Okay, hello students. Today we are going to discuss remaining question of exercise 3.2. Question number 2. Look here, question number 2 is given here. Find the square root of the given number by long division method. It means this number is in perfect square. So we have to find that one, the square root of the number. Actually this number means this is actually we have to find the value of 66049 by applying the long division method. So actually number is like this. So as we discussed previously, how to find the square root of any perfect square. As the number is given by the long division method, as the number is given 66049. So what we have discussed? We have discussed that make the block of 2 digits from the left. Okay, 6 remain alone means 6 not make or create any 2-digit number, so it will remain alone here. So we have to find a number or required a number by that number multiply by itself, which is either equal to 6 or less than 6 as in general division method. So it will be 2. Okay, so this one is 2 2s are 4. Is it? Means 4 is going to subtract from 6. What will get? 2. But in general, we have seen that one in the normal division, there will be one value is come from top to here. But here the block of 2 means the 2 value is going to be come here. Okay. And we discussed this one, either multiply the given number by 2 or just adding same the value. As the number is given 2, so it becomes 2 plus 2 is 4. So we have to find the number by that. If we multiply by that number itself, which is near to this one, suppose there is 1, so we have to multiply 41 into 41 1 ja 41. If we write here 2, that means 41 2 ja 42. If we write here 3, so it will be 41 3 ja 43, 43 3 ja. Okay, so in that cases we have to see there is 260 written. It means if we multiply 5 times, we will get the value nearer to this one. So this one is 5 5 ja 25. What's carry? 2. Then 5 4 ja 20, and this 2 become what? 22. Is it? 5 5 ja 25, 2 carried, and 5 4 ja 20, and this 2 become 22. After subtracting that one, what will get? 5. This become 5. This become 2. 5 minus 2 become 3. Then 4 and 9. Then if we add 5 here, what will become? 50. Is it? So it become 50. So this is already a very big number. So we have to try to find that number which is equal to this number. Means it will be either the number should be, if you write here 1, then the unit place of the given number should be 1. 1 into 1 become 1. 2 into 2 become 4. So there are written 9. So this will be the maximum chance this number either be 3 or be 7. Either be 3, because 3 3s are 9. So it will be either be 3 or be 7. So 3s are means 5 3s are 15 means which is very near, very far from 35. So we are going to multiply that number by 7. 7 7s are 49. So what remain? 4. 7 into 0 become 0, and that carried 4 came here. 7 5 ja 35. Finally, what will get? That remainder will be 0. It means this is the perfect square of the given number. So perfect square of the given number is 257. Okay. So write this one. The next question is question number H, which is 3 4 5 9 6. Means we have to find the square root of the given number, which means 3 4 5 9 6 inside root by using same long division method. So first of all, we have to write the number as 3 4 5 9 6. Make the block of or pair of 2 digits. What's remain? 1 remain alone here, is it? So if we read the table of 1 multiply 1 into 1 become 1 and 2 into 2 become 4, which is more than 3. That's why we are multiplying 1 into 1. So it become 1. 1 into 1, 1. By subtracting that one, what will get? 2. And this one is going to be added with this one. So it become what? 2. Then 45 will be placed here. Is it? And look here, the number nearer to this one is means we have to find the number near to this one. So suppose 8 times we have read that one. 8 times. 8 8 ja 64. Is it? Carried 6. 8 2 ja 16, and that 6 become what? 22. So it will be 5 minus 4 become 1. 4 minus 2 become 2, and this 96 will be returned back here. So now 8 is going to be added here. So this one is addition. Okay, 8 is going to be added here. So it become 8 plus 8 become 16. 16. And 1 is carried, so it become 36. So we have to find the number nearer to 8. Look, its unit place is 6. So already the 36 is a very big number. That's why the most probably this number will be 6. So let's check. 6 into 6 become 36. 6 into 6 become 36. Carried 3. 6 into 6 36 plus 3 39. Carried 3. 6 into 3 18. Plus 3, 21. Then what will get? 0. Okay. So 186 is the perfect square of this number. We got this number by using long division method. So there are many questions are there. Try to solve that one. Okay. Look here, next question is, find the largest number that has to be added to the given number to make it perfect square. The first question is, we have to make this number be the perfect square. What the largest number is to be added. We have to add that number. Also find the perfect square so obtain. Means the number what we have written, what we have get, that will be, we have to find their perfect square also. So number is given like this. So what we have to do, first of all we have to find the square root of, try to find the square root of that number. Okay, already this is given, this number is not in the form of perfect square. So in case of solving, we have to get that one or apply the long division method as 7895. Okay. So what we have to do? Just make the pair of 2 digits. So we have to get the number nearer to 78 or equal to 78 by multiplying that number by itself. So as 1 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4, 3 3 ja 9, 4 4 ja 16, 5 5 ja 25, as 8 8 ja 64. Is it? Subtract that 64, 8 minus 4 become 4, and 7 minus 6 become 1. So what we do? We have to add 8 here. So it becomes 60. And these 9 5 is going to be returned here or back here. Okay. So we have to find the number nearer to 8, which is we have to get the number nearer to this one. So it will be 8 times. 8 8 ja 64, carried 6. 8 6 ja 48 plus 6, 48, 50, then 54. 5 is remained or carried. 8 1 ja 8 plus 5, which is 13. Then what we'll get after subtracting that number? 1 5 1. So you can write that one. 151 remain. So 7895 is 7895 is greater than a square of 88, because square of 88, which is 151, less than this number, but this much number remain here. So this one 151 is 7895 is less than 89, square of 89, is it? So seven eight nine five is there, na? Okay. So number added to 7895 to be to make the number perfect square is 89 square minus 7895. So if you multiply 89 into 89, you will get 7921. 7921 minus 7895. You can check that one by multiplying 89 into 89. 9 9 ja 81, 1 carried 8, 9 8 ja 72 plus 8, this become 80. Similarly, when solve that one, okay. So by subtracting that number, so this become 5 can't be subtract from 1, so 1 is going to be carried here, so it become what? 6, 11, 11 minus 5, 6, so it remain 1 here, so it is going to be carried, so it will 11 minus 9 become what? 2, so 8 become 8, what remain? 8 remain here, so 26 is going to be added, okay. So the number added to 7895 to make the number perfect square is 26, okay. So the next of that one, also find the perfect square of so obtained. Perfect square so obtained is what? This number means 7895 plus 26 is equal to 7921, okay, which is 7921. This is the perfect square. So the perfect square number is this much only. Okay, write this one. Now read to find the square root of. Write this one. Try to solve the remaining question of this exercise. Okay.